Hello friends, as this is my style to discuss on each and everything which come in front of me. So today my topic is that yesterday I received a letter from a company, television company, appointment letter you can say. In that letter it was written that you are appointed with the private TV channel and your work will start from July 1st. So I received that appointment letter via WhatsApp, and it was written there that you are advised to send 8 programs per month. In a month, I have to send them 8 programs in regional language. That channel is based in UK, United Kingdom, and that is in regional language for people those are living in Kashmir or abroad. Those know the local dialect Potwari language. You don't know. There are so many languages in the world spoken, and out of all those languages, you know that 7,000 languages are spoken in the world, but only 23 languages are popular amongst all. Other dialects are spoken in different parts of the world, and those languages are not too much popular. So that channel is in local language, and for that channel I am advised to make programs, some kind of documentaries, some kinds of news. So I have to give time for recording those programs also. And beside those activities, I'm also running this English language channel, and in each and every video I'm trying to discuss on separate topic. When you will discuss on separate topic on daily basis, then I think that this is good for you to improve your English language, because when we speak on different topics, different words, different sentences would come in front of us, and we are able to improve those things and to enhance our vocabulary of English language. So this is my suggestion for you also, that whenever you find any kind of topic or new thing, discuss on that new topic. When you will discuss, your mind will work, you will create new words, you will try to use the new words. Those are stuck in your memory, you are not using them, and they are laying in your memory. When you will discuss on different topics, then you will improve yourself, then you will make use of those words laying in your back memory. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.